Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Asana projects for streamlined team execution. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Asana projects for streamlined team execution, start by logging into your Asana account. Click on the Projects tab in the sidebar. Select the New Project button to create a fresh project. Choose between a blank project or use one of Asana's templates that fit your needs. Give your project a clear and concise name to define its purpose. Next, add a brief description to provide context for your team. Select the project type, either list or board view, depending on your team's workflow. Invite team members to the project by clicking on the Share button. Assign roles or responsibilities to ensure everyone knows their tasks. Now, add sections to organize your project into manageable parts. Create tasks under each section based on the specific deliverables. For each task, include a clear title and detailed description for clarity. Set due dates for tasks to keep your team on track. Assign tasks to team members by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. Use the priority feature to mark critical tasks that need immediate attention. Consider adding tags or custom fields to categorize tasks for easier tracking. Encourage team members to comment on tasks to foster communication. Use attachments to share relevant documents or files directly with tasks. Monitor project progress through the timeline or calendar view available in Asana. Regularly check in with your team to address any blockers or offer support. Adjust timelines and task assignments as necessary to accommodate changes. Finally, celebrate milestones to keep the team motivated and engaged. By following these steps, you can set up Asana projects that facilitate streamlined team execution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.